اللهم صل على محمد وعلى آل محمد كما صليت على إبراهيم وعلى آل إبراهيم إنك حميد مجيد.
The wait is over. There are few bigger days on the football calendar than Champions League final day. Fans are beginning to pour into the stadium and the tension is palpable. It's Real Madrid. They take on Borussia Dortmund and the action is next on EA TV live. It is something very special indeed to make it to a UEFA Champions League final. Now these two teams are intent upon tasting glory. Welcome to the showpiece event on the European club calendar. Derek Ray here in the commentary position, joined tonight for live coverage by Stuart Robson. It's Real Madrid facing Borussia Dortmund.
Well, what a night, Derek. Two great teams, a perfect pitch, a magnificent stadium and millions watching around the world. What more could you ask for, apart from maybe different commentators?
And the starting players for Real Madrid. Thibaut Courtois begins in goal. Ferland Mendy plays with Carvajal in the fullback positions. Toni Kroos plays with Casemiro in the centre of the pitch. And the lead striker today is Karim Benzema. This is the lineup for Dortmund. Rafael Guerreiro starts with Thomas Meunier as fullbacks, and rather than use a strike partnership, they've gone with just the one player in attack. This is it, the Champions League final. They are underway. Who will be crowned club kings of Europe? Asensio. A chance to whip it in. Well cleared away. Emre Can. And Bellingham. Rice. Sigankov. And that's great work to make sure it didn't go over the line. Well, no stopping him. Using his physical strength to shield it. And the cross smuggled away. Played over. And still dangerous. Well, they can keep possession now. Haaland, tremendous block. Denied again. Asensio. Benzema! And a fantastic diving save. And there's the delivery. And routine for the keeper in the end. The cross far too close to him. Quite a lot of discussion about him prior to this game. It's one thing for a play, and he got to it fairly easily. Well, tremendous block. Sigankov. And unable to pick out a teammate. And that'll be a throw. Marco Asensio. Showing considerable guile. Karim Benzema in the thick of things. Wonderful header. Excellent goalkeeping. And a corner kick, the referee's verdict. Can someone get on the end of this? Well, not a great cross, making the goalkeeper's job rather easy. No, high quality defending. Nice switch of play. The cross is on. Well, the keeper was always likely to do his job under no pressure. Benzema, well read to win possession back. And Borussia Dortmund in a position of menace. Meunier, crossed accurately towards the far post. Well, in fact, a bit too close to the goalkeeper, and that was always going to be claimed. The referee has given the advantage to Real Madrid, but play is halted this time. Free kick. Well, not deemed to be a bookable offence, but still it probably entered the referee's mind. Well, sitting deep like this might be a dangerous game. Struggling to keep the ball. McNeil. It's with Guerrero. Good visualisation and execution. The end product just wasn't there. And good pressure high up the pitch. Haaland. Now what can they do from here? Still could be dangerous. Deflected behind. Corner forthcoming. Over it comes. Goalkeeper's ball. It was always going to be that way. Benzema. Less than convincing defending. And there's the feed into the box. And it's in! Real Madrid strike first in the Champions League final.
Well, here's the replay, and just look how quickly they break forward once they win the ball back. And it makes the striker's job so easy. All he has to do is make the right connection. It's a lovely goal.
Well, back underway here, and a wake-up call for Borussia Dortmund, you would think. Sigankov. Now Meunier.
Well, as you can see, Dortmund have had most of the ball, but their attacking players been too slow, mainly due to a lack of movement of the front players. At some point, they have to threaten the space in behind the defenders.
Benzema! Oh, terrific save.
Well, you're absolutely right. That's a top-class save. Just look how he reacts.
Let's see about the delivery. No spillage from the goalkeeper. Routine. And room now out on the wing. Superb pass by Marco Asensio. And collected tidily. He had plenty to think about. And with that, the first half draws to a close. 45 minutes separating these two sides from glory. The second half of the Champions League final begins. Well, they couldn't keep possession. Benzema. Oh, really good reflexes and danger averted. Substitution for Real Madrid. Trying to deliver it accurately. Well, he didn't miss by a huge margin, did he? Well, it is an occasion never to be missed, and you'll see it live with us right here on EA TV, the Champions League final. It's Real Madrid facing Borussia Dortmund.
Well, the two best teams in Europe are there on merit, but who will be the champions? It should be an absolute belter.
Now he must favour the cross. They're too close to the goalkeeper to really pose a threat. Toni Kroos. Chance to do damage. And a long way out here. And a goal to increase the lead in this final. Will they be stopped now?
Well, as you can see, this catches everybody by surprise. Look where he is when he strikes it. That's a great goal.
So 2-0 now. Emre Can. Borussia Dortmund have given it away. Ronaldo. Firing it towards goal. And turned onto the woodwork. He can't hold on to it. Closing down well. He'll be breathing a sigh of relief. Ball one.
Well, those stats back up what we've been watching. It's been a really one-sided game, and it's far too easy for them to open up this defence. This could turn into a rout.
Meunier. Well, they keep working away, looking for passing lanes. Well, couldn't keep it in. And Dortmund will go to the bench. Clear foul, but a Real Madrid advantage. Modric. They're certainly allowing their opponents to come onto them. Oh, so near, off the post. Danger averted. Not an especially strong challenge. Superb block.
Well, I have to say, I thought that looked to be going in. It was such a good effort.
And green space aplenty for Dortmund to run into. And he's in. And it's been finished off by Marco Reus.
Well, we can see it again now, and it all starts with the pass over the top. It takes out so many defenders, and when he gets onto it, he decides to go for power. It's a really emphatic finish, which gives the keeper no chance.
Well, the action continues, and Dortmund find themselves within touching distance here. Moving forward effectively, but ultimately up a cul-de-sac. Guerrero. And space for the cross. And players waiting at the far post. Well, I suspected that might be difficult for the keeper, but I was wrong. Reus. spot on with that tackle. Dortmund throw in here. Substitution it is for Dortmund. Meunier. Dahoud. They're showing a willingness to attack, as they must, given the circumstances. Time running out. Well, nothing productive, really. Toni Kroos. Here's Ronaldo. Now, do they mean business on this occasion? Well, it looked as though they might be in just for a second or two. A bit of running room now on the wing. Well, possibilities in the centre. Holland. Marco. Ice in the middle. And still dangerous. Well, it came to nothing in the end. Real Madrid have been awarded the free kick. Has eyes for goal. Determined block. Sigankov. And the referee has added on 2 minutes of stoppage time. Can they fashion something? They need a goal. Tremendous reflexes. Thibaut Courtois. Well, this might be their final opportunity to draw level. It comes to absolutely nothing. And there it is! Real Madrid, Champions League winners!
Well, just look at the emotions out there. Joy and relief on one side, despair and heartache on the other. But we've got the right winners here. They fully deserved it on the night.
For these players, well, it's the night of their lives. And they're determined to enjoy every millisecond.
Well, they have to make the most of this, don't they? It's a great feat. What an achievement from them.
Well, they don't need to be reminded about what comes next. It's the presentation of the coveted Champions League trophy.
Well, there's some tired players out there, but what you can be sure of, they'll find some energy when they get their hands on the trophy. They'll be going mad in the next few moments.
The Champions League winners, Real Madrid.
Well, this is what they wanted. What a moment for these players. They've worked so hard to win this trophy. They've been fantastic.
And you can feel the emotion. It's natural to reflect on this final, but so much hard work has gone into the entire campaign. Memories, memories. What would a celebration be without the chance to enjoy it with your own supporters?
Well, these fans have certainly played their part, haven't they? They'll savour these moments. They've travelled far and wide to follow their team. They're loving every minute of this, and why not? They deserve it.
A performance of fire as well as ice. They held their nerve when that was necessary. And these celebrations will run long into the night.
Well, these are the moments they have to make the most of. It doesn't happen very often, does it? These will be photos to cherish for years to come. Brilliant stuff.
And you are looking at the best club side in Europe. This is it, the Champions League final.